Alright, we're outside. It's Wednesday and the GoPro just died, but it's back and we're here for another video. So today I'm on my way to Bowler's Garage. We have a whole heap of things to install today. Well, it's not going to be installed today, but we have control arms. All the control arms for the front. We have the DMTL module, which is why there's a check engine light here. There's a radio receiver module.
What's with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
Alright, so the road is not absolute garbage anymore. So, radio receiver module, I think that's what it's called. That module fixes my comfort access issues, because to this day I've never just came in here, press the brake, press the button and start the car. I've had to hold the key. What the hell? I've had to hold the key on the steering rack right here, so, and start the car. Also have to open the car with the key, so it would be nice to, you can just use the luxury features. Yeah, so hopefully that will get fixed. And the big thing that I have to install is a set of BC Racing coilovers. I've never used BC coilovers before. I've used Tane coilovers, I've used Rev 9, I've used Bilstein, but I've never used BC Racing, and I've heard very good things about them, and at the same time very bad things about them. So I'm led to wonder who's right and who's wrong, because jeez, why the AC not on? Anyways, I want to find out who's wrong and who's right, because BC seems like really good value. The price is good and they sell every piece of the coilover kit that you can possibly need to be replaced. So if I have a blown out shock, it's $100 to get a replacement, and obviously you need to buy two, so it's $200. So I don't need to buy a whole new set of coilovers if the back shocks get blown out. I just need to replace the shocks and that's it. So what's the problem with that? Like, why is that bad? So we're going to install them, we're going to test them, we're going to see how they work, and if there is absolutely no way to make them handle well, then alright, I lost, and we learn that BC coilovers aren't good for the M4. But if we figure it out and we get them to work really well, then okay, you don't need to spend $2,000 on whatever. You can buy these. It would be nice to compare the BCs in the future with, different, more higher end, more expensive brands, so that I can see, the difference between the BCs and those, and why those higher end coilovers are priced the way that they are priced. Is it a difference in the shock itself? Is it a difference in spring rate? Things like that. So I'd be curious to see that in the future. If anybody out there has an M4 and a set of expensive coilovers, I would love to drive it after I've experienced the BCs so that we can, see what the difference is. So I really want to take a second to big up Bowler's Garage because Bowler's is very busy. But even though they're busy, they get the job done really quickly. And it's an art that I don't think that many other mechanic shops have. So I want to big them up. I want to thank Vijay for fitting me in the schedule. Oh, also as we're passing, big up Vault Motors. They're who I got the car from. Not gonna lie, one of the things that I need when I'm driving this car is to hear noise. Like, yeah, the valve need to open. Even if I'm driving slow, I need to hear it. It's too good. Downshift. Ah, so good. And I love how it don't have like a billion burbles. Because burbles are not it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Okay? Burbles are not it. We don't do burbles in 2025. And yes, that's the horn. I need to buy them. I need to buy them. I'm going to buy them when I get home. Ah. So here we are, 90C Radials Road. If you have a BMW, you don't have anywhere else to go.